What's up guys, it's Francis Roman here again. Welcome back to my another new weekly video. You guys can check out my previous tutorial, my headstand tutorial, my shoulder freeze tutorial, my freeze transition tutorials. Go check that out guys. Before I proceed to anything guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like and share to your friends, and drop a comment on what you want me to do right next. Be sure to follow my Instagrams right here, and be sure to subscribe to my music channel. I do rap, and go check out my music guys. As usual guys, I'm gonna make it quick because I hope you guys can learn it in 5 minutes. And before we start anything, I need you guys to have a proper warm-up session by yourself. Guys, remember, before you do anything, be sure to have a proper warm-up session so that you won't hurt yourself. What I'm gonna teach you today, it's called cartwheel. This is cartwheel. It is a basic flip. If you want to learn any flip, that's the basic. You want to have a round off back flip, you want to have a round off, cartwheel is the basic. Now I'm gonna teach you step by step. This thing just like freezes, you gotta choose one dominant side. My side, I go to right, I do a cork to my right, I do twist to my right, I do round off and cartwheel to my right. So I do side to my right. So choose a side, which way you're more comfortable with, go with that. The first step I want you to have is just gonna put down here. Okay, I'm gonna need you to have this movement. You're gonna, let's say I'm going to right, okay? My right, I'm gonna, when I put down my hand, I'm gonna lift up my left leg right here, okay? At the same time, it's easy, right? Okay? And then I'm gonna try to jump with my right leg, okay? Here it goes. I'm gonna try to jump my right leg and catch it with my left hand. When I jump with my right leg, I'm gonna catch it with my left hand. Alright, I'm gonna repeat it again. All you gotta train is to jump. If you're doing the right side, jump with your right leg. If you're doing for left side, jump with your left leg. For beginner, if you're not able to do like as high as I did just now, you can start with a low cartwheel. If you're scared of height, then maybe what you need to do is lower down the position so you're not that afraid of it. Alright? You're just gonna go down a little bit, go down, and then go front. Leg, go front. Okay. This is how a beginning step. This is a simple way of doing it. Alright? This is a more simple way to me. I don't know, everyone has their own way to teach people. Everyone has their own way doing it. So this is my way, how to make it simple. There are some specific training you're gonna need to do a lot to train more so you can get a better cartwheel, which is a handstand. Because if you slow-mo your cartwheel, it is actually a handstand in the middle of the air. So now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try to slow-mo it by myself, and you guys can see. Put it down. It is actually a slow-mo handstand on the air. And guys, remember to work out to increase your strength, your arm strength, okay? So that's it I guess for today. I hope you guys can do it in 5 minutes. I hope that. And I hope my tutorial really helped you guys. So before I end this video guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like and share to your friends, and drop a comment on what tutorial you want to see right next. And guys, be sure to follow my Instagram. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to my rap channel, to my music channel. Go check out my songs. I do rap, I do music. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me always. Froman, I love you guys. Peace.